Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Microsoft data exposed. Microsoft was hacked, so let's check it out real quick. Super quick article. Come on, Microsoft. Let's get a little better. Microsoft data breach exposed customer data, contact info and emails. Microsoft said today that some of its customers' sensitive information was exposed by a misconfigured Microsoft server accessible over the internet. The company secured the server after being notified of the leak on September 24th, 2022 by security researchers at threat intelligence firm SOCRadar. So to let you know, if Microsoft can't get this right, they're having misconfigurations on servers. How is the average company or the average person going to get that right? The misconfiguration resulted in the potential for unauthenticated access to some business transaction data corresponding with interactions between Microsoft and the prospective customers, such as planning or potential implementation, provisioning of company servers, or in Microsoft services, the company said. Our investigation found no indication customers' account or systems were compromised. We have directly notified the affected customers. According to Microsoft, the exposed information includes name, email address, email content, company name, phone numbers, as well as files linked to businesses affected by customers and Microsoft or an authorized Microsoft partners. Redmond added that the leak was caused by unintentional misconfiguration to an endpoint that is not in use across Microsoft ecosystem and not due to a security vulnerability. That's even worse because misconfiguration means you had all the responsibility in your at your fingertips, and if you configured it, it wouldn't have happened. So once again, if Microsoft's struggling, I don't know what the regular mere mortal is supposed to do. The leaked data allegedly linked to 65,000 entities around the world. Microsoft refrained from providing any additional details regarding the data link. SOCRadar revealed in the blog post published today that the data was stored on a Microsoft misconfigured Azure block storage. SOCRadar claims it was able to link sensitive information to more than 65,000 entities from 111 countries, stored on data files dated from 2017 to August 2022. On September 2022, SOCRadar built-in cloud security module detected a misconfiguration of the Azure block storage maintained by Microsoft containing sensitive data from a high-profile cloud provider. Shout out to them. Everybody's going to be trying to go buy the cloud security module to detect misconfigurations in Azure. The third intel company added that the performance analysis, the leaked data included proof of execution, statement of work documents, user information, product orders and offers, project details, PII, which is personal identified information, data documents that reveal intellectual property. Microsoft added today that it believes SOCRadar greatly exaggerated the scope of the issues and the numbers. Oh, so now they're going to tack on a little SOCRadar. According to Microsoft 365 Admin Center alert regarding the data breach published on October 4th, 2022, Microsoft is unable to provide specific effective data from the issue. The company support team also reported to customers who reached out that it would not notify data regulatories because no other notifications are required under GDPR besides those sent to impacted customers. The exposed data include that. So that was the tweet of that. The online tools to search leak data. SOCRadar data leak search portal is named Blue Bleed. It also companies to find their sensitive info was also exposed with leaked data. Besides what was found inside Microsoft configured servers, Blue Bleed also searched for data collected from 5 other public storage buckets. In Microsoft alone, SOCRadar claims they found 2.4 terabytes of data containing sensitive information with more than 335,000 emails, 133,000 projects, 548 exposed users while analyzing the leaks. Threat actors has been accessing the buckets and may use this information in different forms for extortion, blackmailing, creating social engineering tactics with the help of exposed data, or simply selling your information to the highest bidder on the dark web and Telegram channels. SOC warn. No data was downloaded. Some of the data were crawled by our engines, but we were promised to Microsoft no data has been shared so far, and all the crawled data was deleted from our systems. We directed all our customers to Microsoft RC if they want to see the original data. Search can be done via metadata, company name, domain, and email. Due to persistent pressure from Microsoft, we have taken down our query page today. Microsoft beating them up. Microsoft be suing people, man. So, uh, we're highly disappointed that MRC comments and accusations of all the cooperation support provided by us had absolutely prevented a global cyber disaster. Yes, so sometimes the big companies get a little nervous, man, when you be putting them out like they're out, putting them out there like that. So once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe. Microsoft Data Exposed.